Okay, good afternoon, friends. Welcome back. मेरा नाम है सुशील. आज today is December 23. It's a Friday. I'm heading to work. आज Canada government ने warning दी है there is a snowstorm. ठीक है, आज शाम 5 बजे से. Tonight, tomorrow, it's gonna be on Sunday as well till the morning. Schools भी बंद है. Everything is closed. But मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I'm being in the hospitality sector. I have to be there. 40 minutes का drive है, but during the winter, it becomes like 50 minutes or 1 hour क्योंकि slow जाना पड़ता है. Majorly highways clean होंगे इस time पे, but inside the cities, it's going to be a lot of snow. But it's okay. Once you get on the highway, it's not a lot of fun. So let's see how's the drive, and we'll see how's the drive. Yeah. As you can see, सामने कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा है. You cannot see anything. So that is one of the challenging part in Canada. यहाँ पर है, if you want to drive, you have to be very careful on the roads. Sometimes you don't see anything. आपको आगे वाली गाड़ी नहीं दिखती है. And sometimes अगर if towards यहाँ पर north की तरफ if there is a lot of snow, then the road gets bad or it's hard to drive. आपकी गाड़ी फिसल सकती है. You could be in an accident. You could drift your car. So it's not easy. A lot of challenges. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Everything is fine. But as I said, November, December, January, February, March, 5 months. It's crazy snow. Yeah, देख सकते हैं. I'm driving to work. जैसा मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि you have to keep yourself busy. तो ये सारी चीज़ें देखकर you will go into depression. Do some activity जैसे skiing हो गई, skating हो गई, and make some new friends. Go out. Not necessary every time drinking, but go out, go for a coffee. Let's make some social clubs here. You can connect with them. Social communities हैं यहाँ पर. You can always connect with them. फ्लैशिंग लाइट देख रहे हैं. 60 मिनिमम. स्कूल जोन है. When it flashes, आप 60 से ऊपर नहीं जा सकते. It's an enforced law. As I said, fines यहाँ की they are very high. For a ticket like a school zone could go up to $300, $400, $500. So be careful while you're driving in this kind of zone. जैसा आप देख सकते हैं मेरे आगे जो है it's winter trucks, cleaning truck होती है. They are cleaning all the snow. Right side में they're gonna clean the snow and left side में they have salt. साइन देख रहे हैं आप सामने. Rosso JW Marriott Hydro Spa. Okay, friends, finally काम पर पहुंच चुके हैं. It was fun driving, and hey, my friend is there. She's cleaning the car. I'm showing them how you're cleaning the car.
Why?
Because I want to show how the life here in Canada is. Well, you don't have a long drive. I came all the way from Parry Sound, you know.
How long did that take?
45 minutes.
Not terrible.
It was okay till the Rossa, and after Rossa it got bad. Well, that's my friend Rebecca. काम पर जा रहा हूँ आज snowstorm है. I might have to stay. So let's see. I'll keep you posted, everybody. आप देख सकते हैं. It's like this. Everybody take care. Ciao.